Hey guys, welcome out to another Cooking with Jared. I'm Jared with Escape Adventures. Tonight we're gonna make honey glazed maple salmon. Generally out on our bike tours, the first night of our camping tours, we cook salmon, and this is just one of the ways that you can cook salmon. So it's really simple. It's 3 ingredients. We've got pure maple syrup. We have desert wildflower honey, could be any honey, and brown sugar. And of course we have salmon. And that's all you need, so here we go. Okay, the first thing we want to do here is we're just gonna take, and this cooks about between 6 and 8 fillets of salmon. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar right there, okay? We'll do this brown sugar first because we're gonna use our tablespoon measuring device and it won't work if you do honey first. And then we're gonna do about a tablespoon, whoa, a little bit over there of honey, right there. Okay. And we're gonna do 1 cup of syrup. There we go. And we're gonna mix that up. Like this. And we are creating a delicious glaze here. Now it's always good to add salt too, but we're not gonna add any salt until after we cook the salmon and caramelize it on the salmon. So there we go, just cook it down a little bit right there. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glaze right here and I'm actually gonna put a little bit of glaze in here, right over the top. Not all of it, but just enough in there where you coat it up. And we'll mix it up a little bit, just like this. Get it mixed in there with our salmon. And right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna place the salmon. Nice glaze. I'm gonna put it right on top of tinfoil on my grill. Okay, so right here we have our salmon. I put it on tinfoil right here so that you're not really burning it and it's easy to get off the grill. We finish it on the grill so it has the grill marks on it. Makes it really nice, but now that we have it glazed, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it because it's kind of a salty, sweet flavor. And if you do like a little bit of spice, just a tad of pepper on there like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on medium heat. We're gonna close this up and we're gonna check it in about 3 minutes because you don't want to overcook fish, period. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we've been gone for 4 minutes. Let's come back and see what we got here. And yeah, it's starting to cook pretty good. Again, now salmon, it's gonna be a little, it depends on how you like your fish, but nobody wants a dry salmon. So we're gonna keep a really close eye on it when we start to cook. Now I think our heat's up a little high, so I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because it's kind of smoking. And we're gonna just peel it up like this and kind of look under it and see what we got here. You can see how we got caramelization going on right here with the honey and the sugars. That's that brown look right there. And I think we still have about a couple more minutes on this, and then what we're gonna do is flip it over onto the grill. So let's close this up. We'll be right back in 2 minutes. We're gonna wanna bring our glaze in there. So you just use a little brush like this and we'll just glaze that on there like that. Feel free to put on as much as you want. This helps keep the delicious flavor on it. Okay guys, so we are ready here to flip our salmon. So watch carefully what I do. Again, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt on there, a little bit of pepper. That gives it that salty, savory taste. And now we've done all of our cooking right here on the tinfoil on the skin side so that we're not burning it. We're not gonna eat the skin, so it doesn't matter if we burn that a little bit. So I'm just gonna pull this like this, and I just recently glazed it, and we're just gonna flip it over just like that. And we're gonna let it cook for just less than a minute so we get those lines on the salmon. Okay, here we go. So let's take our salmon off and we'll put it on our plate here. And boy, oh boy, does this smell so good. This is gonna be so delicious. Here we go. All right, let's see how this tastes. Our honey glazed maple salmon. Add a little bit of salt right there. See this? Just absolutely perfect. That's awesome. Thanks for joining us.